Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How to open Revolut Business account. So just open any of browser and make sure you will on business.revolut.com. So from here you will be just selected your country, where are you from. After just tap for continue. So right now you will be just select the type of business. So these are categories. So I will just select enterprise, individual, and just tap for continue. So you will wait for the moment. So right now you will just have to sign up with Google or sign up with Apple, or you will just also have enter manually your email. So I want to just tap for with Google. So right now you will be just enter your mobile number and just tap to continue. So in this way you will just have to create Revolut business account. Thank you.